This is why our children are suffering.
Okay.
We fear exposure. We fear to be known that we are wrong. And the more we hide it, we are killing our children. I wish I could teach you something. Niliambiwa don't talk, so I won't talk. I will only talk about family. Because we are now of good age and we don't want to go back. It is painful to come to reality. And no one is going to tell you about this because not all of us pastors are gifted equally. So you go to another pastor to tell you what I tell you, he will not tell you because my gift is not his gift. Umenielewa? Kipawa changu sio chake. But that's our problem. I fear telling my children the truth because I will be exposing myself. But I also fear the destruction that is attacking my children. I can't help and I want to conceal my problem. Mami, kwa nini watu semi ukweli?
Nimefunguka roho. Naonanga ni aibu watoto wangu wasikie.
Wakisikia watajua kweli mama ulitupenda, haukutaka kutuficha. Mimi watoto wangu wakiniuliza swali hata ninakuja na share na nyinyi, si ndio? Do you know why I share with you? Nisije nikabeba kiburi, mimi ni baba, huyo mtoto ameniuliza nini. When I share it with you, inanigonga mara ngapi? I correct myself. So I must look for ways to discipline myself. Umenielewa? I must look for ways kujigonga ili nisije nikasema nobody knows about it, it's only me. So nikiona mtoto wangu ameniambia kitu cha kweli mpaka inakaa kama aibu, for it to sink into me and I will never repeat the same mistake, I repeat it before you. Once I repeat it before you, inanikula, I made a mistake. So I correct myself because nobody will correct me. I live a very, very painful life that people see you there and you make mistakes as a human being. What do? You bring the mistakes to people so that they can become a form of rebuke. Nikikuambia, pastor, ulifanya makosa, you are rebuking me. Once you rebuke me, I correct myself and I will never repeat the same mistake. Otherwise, I will become a self-proclaimed holy man and I bring problems to my children. So, watoto wangu watanipendea kwa kusema ukweli. Baba yetu anasemanga ukweli. Hata tukimwambia hapa, atasema ukweli. Saa zingine wananiambia, hiyo tumesema dadi, usitamuke huko. Naambia kama sitatamuka huko. Sasa. And the truth shall set people free. And you, my age mates and above, you don't want to listen to this truth. But your children are my friends. They understand the truth because I give characteristics of a certain altar, a characteristics of a certain spirit. They monitor it, they listen to it. Unasema, achana huyo, that is a hypocrite. Huyo mtu ni mtu mwingine wa akili yake inakaa kifafa tu. Kifafa lakini ana watch your program. Kitu unasema Pastor Ezekiel ni kifafa. Ni kweli.